I'm going to make up a batch of jerky. I'm going to call it Al's jerky because I'm using a recipe that I got from a friend of mine named Al. So anyway, I got a moose chuck roast. It's about a pound. Very close to a pound. Matter of fact, you could use deer, beef, even turkey. Whatever you use, though, make sure you trim any fat off because fat will make it rancid. Anyhow, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do is slice this up. I'm going to go across the grain, not with it, because I got false eating. It's hard enough eating it with across the grain. But anyway, I'm going to go for about a 1/4 inch thickness, which on my meat slicer looks like it's at the number 5, or really close to that. Try a couple slices to see if that's right. That's maybe a little less. There's a link to the recipe in the description that you can print or download. Time for another stir. Now about the cure, I always use it anyhow for 2 reasons. One, in case something goes wrong in my smoker and don't hold the temperature, I've had that happen, then I'm not going to be leaving this stuff in the danger zone for over 4 hours. So it's safety. But the other reason is, it's for the color and for the taste. It's kind of like trying to make ham or bacon without cure. It just doesn't work. But hey, do your own. Okay, these been in the fridge for a good 18 hours, probably 20. So now I gotta do is pat them dry as much as I can. Let it run like that for about an hour and see if the pellicle forms that way, or whether I have to do it in the stovehouse. Okay, they're not drying out very well. I'm not getting that pellicle at all. Close, but I'm gonna take them out to the smoker and do it at 120 for a while. Okay, I've got a nice pellicle formed. So I'm gonna bring the temperature up to 160, and I'll get my smoke ready. Okay, we'll let it run for 10 minutes like that. Get in there. Okay, we got some smoke happening. Close this damn. Close the door again. I didn't mention earlier, but after I got the pellicle formed, I brought the internal temperature of the smoker up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and let it smoke at 160 for 2 hours. And then I'm bringing up the temperature at 180 degrees Fahrenheit just to finish it. In between times, I bring a piece in once in a while, let it cool, and then test it. I'm going to show you again. You see how it cracks like that? But doesn't break, it just, that's good. I've got a couple of them that are just a little thicker, so I'll probably just tuck them in the dehydrator. If I eat them right away, it won't matter anyway. Yeah, most of them though, yep, that's the way they're supposed to be. Okay, I'm glad I used cure because it took over 4 hours. That's because of the way I was smoking it. If I would have gone with, like Al does, and go 200 degrees at 2 hours, it probably would have been done in 2 hours. And his jerky tastes good, so I guess you can do that. Another thing, like I used the hickory smoke. I think I'm going to go back to my maple wood instead because I just like it better. Now you might like hickory better, so use whatever you like. And what else? Oh yeah, apparently it's not a good idea to put this in a plastic bag and seal it right away because if there's any moisture left, it could mold on you. So put it in a paper bag like this, or you can put it in a jar and every once in a while give it a shake to see if any moisture forms. That's what you do with a dehydrator. So that's how you proof it. So it's probably a good idea. Paper bag works. So anyway, it's a really nice flavor. You should give it a try. And I hope you will like this video. Subscribe to my channel. So until next time, goodbye.